Dito lahat po kung aking request each and everyone to join the photo ops po as one big happy family for the top flight pre-planning activity of the 77th founding anniversary of the Philippine Air Force.
A few moments later.
One big happy family for the top flight pre-planning activity of the 77th founding anniversary of the Philippine Air Force. Once again, we would like to thank the Kappa of Kappa, Kakibat Civicom International Incorporated, Philippine Riders Club, Philippine Social Riders Club, SRT Zamboanga City Chapter, Avila Riders Club, Zamboanga City Riders Club, Manlacan de Zamboanga Golden Club, Zamboanga City Valiant Eagles Club, URCP Riders Club of the Philippines.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Maikot na yato. Paano picturean to ngayon? Maikot.
Doon na kayo,
Excuse me. Sir, hello.
Wana ko ha? Hindi pwede. Sige, sama ka. Sige, hampirak man. Di kayo kita dyan man. Camera ho.
Sir, pwede po sir dun sa may likod sir. Pwede rin sa harap sir, nakaupo.